Standard 3 Mathematics Unit 2 Numbers. We are going to learn about numbers. Count and write the numbers, comparison of numbers, ascending and descending order, addition and subtraction of numbers, and estimation of numbers. Numbers. Do you know what is number? Number is a mathematical representation to count. We use numbers in our daily life. Count and write the numbers. Now we are going to count and write the numbers. What you are seeing in this picture? Yes, there are few vegetables. Now we are going to count them one by one. Are you ready to count? First, let us count the number of capsicum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 capsicum. Shall we count the number of potatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 potatoes. Now we are going to count the number of brinjal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. There are 16 brinjals. Let us count the number of cabbages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 cabbages. Number sequence. Numbers from 0 to 9 are called one-digit numbers. Numbers from 10 to 99 are called two-digit numbers. 99 is the biggest two-digit number. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Formation of the numbers. Dear children, do you know how to form the numbers? In this table, we see 9 in the ones place. When 1 is added with 9, we get 10. So 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Formation of 100. In this table, 9 is ones place, another 9 in tens place. When we add 1 with 99, we get 100. So 99 plus 1 equal to 100. The numeral 100 represent the number 100. H U N D R E D 100. 100 is the smallest three-digit number. 100 has 10 tens. 100 has 100 ones. Shall we represent the number 100 in an abacus? See the abacus. No beads in the ones place shows 0 ones. So we have to write 0 in the ones place. No beats in the tens place shows 0 tens. So we have to write 0 in the tens place. One beat in the hundreds place shows 1 hundreds. So we have to write 1 in the hundreds place. Write the place value of the circle digit. Now we are going to see the value of the circle. 296. 9 is in tens place. We call the number name is 90. 417. 4 is in hundred place. We call the number name is 400. 638. 8 is in ones place. We call the number name is 8. 945. 9 is in hundreds place. We call the number name is 900. Write the missing numbers by skip counting in fives, tens and hundreds. There are 3 numbers are missing in each rows. In the first row, the numbers are skip counted in fives. 250, 255. Then what is the missing number? Yes, 260. The next missing number is 265. The next number is 270. And the last missing number is 275. In the second row, the numbers are skip counted in tens. 500, 510. Then the missing number is 520. Then 530. The missing number is 540. And the last missing number is 550. In the third row, the numbers are skip counted in hundreds. 100, 200. Then the missing number is 300. Next one is 400. Next number is 500 and 600. Comparison of numbers, even numbers and odd numbers. The numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 are even numbers. The numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13 are odd numbers. Even numbers form two equal groups. In a class there are 24 students. Then we can group them into two equal groups. That is 24 equal to 12 plus 12. Odd numbers do not form two equal groups. In a class there are 21 students. We cannot group them into two equal groups. That is 21 equal to 10 plus 10 and the balance is 1. Numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even numbers. Numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd numbers. Circle the even numbers. Shall we circle the even numbers? In the first row, 8, 70 and 84 are even numbers. In the second row, 226, 330, 440 and 478 are even numbers. In the third row, 948, 952 and 982 are even numbers. Circle the odd numbers. Are you ready to circle the odd numbers? In the first row, 7, 33 and 61 are odd numbers. In the second row, 105, 125 and 151 are odd numbers. In the third row, 919, 935 and 953 are odd numbers. Comparison of numbers with different digits. The number which has more digits is a greater number. For example, compare 115 and 89. So the number 115 has 3 digits and 89 has only 2 digits. So 115 is greater than 89. We write 115 greater than 89. Comparison of numbers with equal digit. If the number of digits are equal, compare the digit in the hundreds place. The number which has a greater digit in the hundreds place is greater. For example, compare the numbers 160 and 250. Here 2 is greater than 1. So 250 is greater than 160. We write 250 is greater than 160. We can also say 160 is lesser than 250. If the digit in the hundreds place are same, compare the digit in the tens place. The number which has the greater digit in the tens place is the greater number. For example, compare the numbers 143 and 151. Here the digit in the hundred place are the same. Then compare the digits in the tens place. 5 is greater than 4. So 151 is greater than 143. We write 151 is greater than 143. We can also say 143 is lesser than 151. If the digit in the hundreds and the tens place are same, compare the digit in the ones place. The number which has the greater digit in the ones place is the greater number. For example, compare the numbers 141 and 148. Here the digit in the hundreds place and tens place are same. Then comparing the digits in the ones place, we get 8 is greater than 1. So the number 148 is greater than 141. We write 148 is greater than 141. We can also say 141 is lesser than 148. Comparing the numbers with same value in all the digits. For example, compare the numbers 536 and 536. Here The digits in the hundreds place, tens place and ones place are same. So we write 536 equal to 536. Comparison of numbers by using the symbols lesser than, greater than and equal to. First compare the numbers 103 and 438. The answer is 103 is lesser than 438. Next, compare the numbers 250 and 69. The answer is 250 is greater than 69. Compare the numbers 408 and 308. The answer is 408 is greater than 308. Compare the numbers 710 and 710. The answer is 710 equal to 710. Compare the numbers 614 and 618. The answer is 614 is lesser than 618. Compare the numbers 719 and 917. The answer is 719 is lesser than 917. Ordering of numbers. Ascending order. When we write the numbers from smaller to greater, we call it ascending order. Descending order. When we write numbers from greater to smaller, we call it descending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means arrange the numbers from smaller to greater. The current order would be 55, 63, 40 and 8. The ascending order is 8, 40, 55 and 63. Next the order would be 50, 405, 109 and 600. The ascending order is 50, 109, 405 and 600. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means arrange the numbers from greater to smaller. The current order would be 212, 503, 369 and 60. The descending order is 503, 369, 212 and 60. Next the order would be 51, 100, 810, 167. The descending order is 810, 167, 100 and 51. Addition and subtraction. Addition. The process of adding two or more numbers is called addition. For example, 7 apples in your hand and 4 apples in your sister's hand. Totally 11 apples. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Few more examples for addition. 70 plus 35 is equal to 105. 68 plus 23 is equal to 91. 51 plus 37 is equal to 88. Addition of 3-digit number without regrouping. Add 132 and 241. First, let us arrange the numbers column according to the place values. 132 plus 241. Step 1. Add the digits of ones place. Here 2 and 1 is in ones place. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Step 2. Add the digits of tens place. Here 3 and 4 is in tens place. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Step 3. Add the digits of hundreds place. Here 1 and 2 is in hundreds place. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. The answer is 373. Few more examples of addition without regrouping. First sum is 441 plus 326 plus 2. First we add the ones place. 1 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 9. Next we add the tens place. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Then we add the hundreds place. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. The answer is 769. Next sum is 562 plus 204. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. The answer is 766. The next sum is 815 plus 153 plus 21. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 9. 1 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And the answer is 989. Addition of 3-digit number with regrouping. Add 556 and 194. First, let us arrange the number column according to the place value. So, 556 and 194. Step 1. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 ones is equal to 110. With regrouping, 10 ones is equal to 1 tens plus 0 ones. So we put 0 in ones place and carry over 1 to tens place. Step 2. 1 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 15 tens. 15 tens is equal to 100 plus 5 tens. So we put 5 in tens place and carry over 1 to 100 place. Step 3. 1 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 700. So we put 7 in 100 place. So the answer is 750. Few examples for addition with regrouping. The first sum is 709 plus 261. First we add the ones place. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. We put 0 in ones place, 1 in tens place. Then we add the tens place. 1 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 7. Now we add the hundreds place. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. The answer is 970. The next sum is 339 plus 202 plus 28. First we add the ones place. So 9 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 19. Here we put 9 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Now we add the tens place. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Then we add the hundreds place. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And the last sum is 28 plus 195 plus 6. 8 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 19. We put 9 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Now we add the tens place. 1 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 12. Here we put 2 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. Now we add the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is 229. Subtraction. The process of finding the difference between two numbers is called subtraction. For example, you have 9 apples in your hand. You gave 4 apples to your sister. Now, how many apples in your hand? Yes, there are 5 apples. So, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Subtraction of 3-digit number without regrouping. Subtract 213 from 735. So we write 735 minus 213. Step 1. Subtract the digits of ones place. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Step 2. Subtract the digits of tens place. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Step 3. Subtract the digits of hundreds place. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So the difference is 522. Few more examples for subtraction without regrouping. First sum is 544 minus 23. First, subtract the ones place. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Next, subtract the tens place. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then, subtract the hundreds place. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. And the answer is 521. And the next sum is 765 minus 401. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. And the answer is 364. And the last sum is 845 minus 234. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. The answer is 611. Subtraction of 3-digit number with regrouping. Subtract 138 from 264. We write 264 minus 138. Step 1. First, subtract ones place. We cannot subtract 8 ones from 4 ones. So, we take 1 10 from 6 tens and regroup it. Then 10 ones, add it to 4 ones. Now we have 14 ones. Subtract 14 ones minus 8 ones is equal to 6 ones. Step 2. Now subtract tens. Since we have removed 1 10 from 6 tens, now we have only 5 tens. So 5 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 2 tens. Step 3. Now subtract hundreds. 2 hundreds minus 1 hundreds is equal to 1 hundredths. And the answer is 126. Few more examples for subtraction with regrouping. The first sum is 765 minus 438. First, subtract ones place. Here we cannot subtract 8 ones from 5 ones. So we take 1 10 from 6 tens and regroup it. Then 10 ones, add it to 5 ones. Now we have 15 ones. Subtract 15 ones minus 8 ones is equal to 7 ones. Now subtract tens. Since we have removed 1 10 from 6 tens, now we have only 5 tens. So 5 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 2 tens. Now subtract hundreds. 7 hundreds minus 4 hundreds is equal to 300. And the answer is 327. The next sum is 981 minus 165. First, subtract ones place. Here we cannot subtract 5 ones from 1 ones. So we take 1 10 from 8 tens and regroup it. Then 10 ones, add it to 1 ones. Now we have 11 ones. Subtract 11 ones minus 5 ones is equal to 6 ones. Now subtract tens. Since we have removed 1 10 from 8 tens, now we have only 7 tens. So 7 tens minus 6 tens is equal to 1 tens. Next we subtract the hundreds. 9 hundreds minus 1 hundreds is equal to 800. Now the answer is 816. Estimation. Estimate the sum and difference of two given numbers by rounding off to nearest tens and hundreds. Let us round off three numbers 17, 24 and 25 to the nearest tens. In this picture, we have marked the value 17, 24 and 25. Now we can see that 17 is between 10 and 20, but it is closer to 20 than 10. So 17 is rounded off to 20. 24 is between 20 and 30, but is closer to 20 than 30. So 24 is rounded off to 20. 25 is between 20 and 30, but it is exactly on the middle point. So 25 is rounded off to 30. We can easily estimate the sum and difference of any two numbers by rounding off them to nearest value and adding or subtracting them. Estimate the sum by rounding off to the nearest value and find the actual sum. The numbers are 24 plus 27. The estimated value of 24 is 20 and the estimated value of 27 is 30. The sum of estimated values is 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. The actual value of 24 is 24. The actual value of 27 is 27. Then the sum of actual values are 24 plus 27 is equal to 51. Estimate the difference by rounding off to the nearest value and find the actual difference. The numbers are 15 minus 13. The estimated value of 15 is 20 and the estimated value of 13 is 10. The difference of estimated values are 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Now the actual value of 15 is 15 and the actual value of 13 is 13. The difference of actual values are 15 minus 13 is equal to 2. Thank you, students.